in a university where Indigenous studies and environmental studies are really key, and now that they're key in the curriculum too, it just made sense to come to a program like Trent.
You could come for the teachers here, the professors here. They're so accommodating, they're so helpful, they're so strong. They just will make sure you get to where you need to be, and that's the best part about it.
I came to Trent years ago as an international student, and I studied French and International Development, and I really loved the campus.
The class sizes are really, really small, so there's 25 people in my section right now. You just become so close with everyone in your section. You're just like family. You don't feel terrified to give a presentation in front of the class, where I definitely was in my undergrad, and I feel so much more confident with giving presentations.
Not many universities have a tutoring placement like Trent does, and that's a great way of really getting a feel for this profession before being thrown into a practicum. You get to work with 2 students that have exceptionalities. Looks great on your resume, and it's such a great experience.
Everything that I've done here, I've actually used in placements. So curriculum asking for environmental studies, asking for Indigenous studies, I've done it all here, whereas prior to that I had no idea.
I've learned so much about who I am as a teacher and just what I actually want to be teaching, and just where I should be. I've gone through so many different steps, so many different processes. I've had my ups and I've had my downs, but in the end, I'm exactly where I want to be.
You get hands-on practical experience, going on practicums, working with students from a diverse background, and you get to meet great friends.
Well, I would come to Trent and come to this program just for the community feel. You know, it's something like I've never experienced before, and I'm very happy I chose Trent.